3, 2, 1.
In what year did the movie The Goonies hit the big screen? The answer is C, 1985. I have many levels and endless challenges. Who am I? The answer is D, video game. Water molds mostly live in water or moist. The answer is C, soil. What has atoms with unstable nuclei? The answer is A, radioisotope. Which is the highest mountain in the world? The answer is A, Everest. What never stops, yet is here for but a moment? The answer is C, footsteps. What does RAM stand for in computing? The answer is D, run and modify. What always falls, but never gets hurt? The answer is C, cushion. Which company makes the Tesla Model S? The answer is C, Tesla. What is a pliers commonly used for? The answer is A, nail driving. Who holds the record for eating the most jalapeno peppers in 3 minutes? The answer is C, Major League Eater Molly Schuyler. Though not necessary, there are several pieces of apparatus that can be used in a Pilates workout. Which of these is not used in Pilates? The answer is A, balance beam. The name of which ion always comes first? The answer is A, positive ion. What was the name of Blossom's best friend on the comedy drama series Blossom? The answer is C, 6. What are two basic types of pollutants in the air? The answer is C, primary and secondary pollutants. Approximately how many miles per year can the North American caribou travel? The answer is C, 3,000. In the same year Jesse James was shot and killed, Edward Hopper was born. What was the year? The answer is C, 1882. Which sitcom takes place in a bar called Cheers? The answer is D, Cheers. A tick attaches to a deer and consumes blood, harming the deer. This is an example of which type of relationship? The answer is C, parasite hosts. What is the study of the properties and interactions of matter and energy? The answer is C. Physics. What substance do the leaves of plants take in from the environment? The answer is B. Carbon dioxide. What is always rushing forward but never arrives?
The answer is D. Time.
What is the economic theory that argues for government intervention to stabilize the economy? The answer is A. Keynesian economics. Which sport uses a frisbee or disc as its main equipment? The answer is A. Frisbee golf. Which piece of clothing is also known as breeches? The answer is A. Pants. Frank Burns was a character on M*A*S*S*H for how many seasons? The answer is A. 5. Which phylum includes starfish and sea urchins? The answer is C. Arthropoda. What travels at the speed of light but always finds the dark? The answer is C. Comet. Which is a process that most likely formed the Appalachian Mountains found in the eastern part of North America? The answer is C. Plate tectonics. Who is the first president to be interviewed on television? The answer is B. Harry S. Truman. What do you use to open tight lids or jars? The answer is C. Lid opener. Which is the capital of Ireland? The answer is B. Belfast. What sculpture is a large, abstract bronze cast of a reclining man? The answer is D. The Thinker. Which ruler built the Great Wall of China? The answer is A. Emperor Qin Shi Huang. Which game features a world where everyone has forgotten about pianos except for one person? The answer is C. Journey. What was the name of Eric and Shelley's cat in the film The Crow? The answer is C. Gabriel. Which color is associated with Louis Vuitton's logo? The answer is A. Green. What are a group of protists whose monophyly is well supported by molecular systematics? The answer is D. Alveolates. What is a pencil case often made of? The answer is C. Nylon. What famous physicist said, "Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and in not sure about the former"? The answer is A. Albert Einstein. In past times, what would a gentleman keep in his fob pocket? The answer is B. Watch. What is always hungry and makes tools? The answer is A. Factory. What is the only independent city-state in Europe, not part of any country? The answer is C. Vatican City. What is the word for a group of mallards? The answer is C. A sword. What was the Roman counterpart to the Greek god Zeus? The answer is B. Jupiter. Which element has the symbol C on the periodic table and is a major component of all known life? The answer is A. Carbon. What celestial object has been visited by manned spacecraft and is easily seen from Earth? The answer is A. Moon. What does hypoxic mean? The answer is D. Low oxygen. What was the name of the chariot driven by Helios, the sun god in Greek mythology? The answer is A. Pyroxus. What soft drink did Max Headroom promote on television in the mid-1980s?